This is the official feedback portal system, where you can report bugs, request features, and vote on what matters most to you. Before submitting a new idea, you can search existing issues submitted by other users. This helps avoid duplicates and allows you to support ideas that already match what you're looking for. You may find that someone has already requested exactly what you had in mind. The Active button shows you tickets that are open or being worked on. This excludes shipped and closed tickets. The Completed button shows you tickets that have been shipped or marked as won't fix. These are tickets that will no longer be worked on. App Sort allows you to sort all tickets by app name alphabetically. Clicking on this will provide you the options to sort from A to Z or to reverse it from Z to A. Upvotes lets you sort the tickets by most upvotes first. Hot will prioritize the recent tickets with the most activity and engagement. And New is going to show you the newest tickets at the top. You can also set filters by choosing tickets associated with all apps or specific products of your choice. Clicking on All Types gives you options to narrow down your searches to critical, bug, and feature. Clicking on All Time opens up a calendar for you to narrow down dates if you want. The final 3 icons on the side lets you toggle between List View, Grid View, and Kanban View. You can also navigate through the portal at the top of the page. Home takes you back to the main page. Changelog will show you the latest updates. The bell icon is where you will find your notifications. And you can always click on your profile icon for more settings and access to your main ScalePlus dashboard.